Hi, today I'll show you how, in just 3 minutes, to properly register on Bybit, secure your account, and complete verification without the usual mistakes. Let's go. We go through the referral link in the description. This is essential because it gives you a commission discount and bonuses for new users. On the main page, click Sign Up. Choose registration via email. It's more secure. Enter your address, create a password, minimum 8 characters, uppercase and lowercase letters, plus a number. Enter the referral code if it hasn't been filled in automatically. Confirm your email, type in the 6-digit code from the message. Step 2. Security. Bybit offers several levels of protection, but the main one is 2-factor authentication. Think of it as a second lock. Even if your password is hacked, without the phone code, no one gets in. First, download the app. On iPhone, open App Store. Search for Google Authenticator, install. On Android, same via Google Play. Alternative, Authy. More convenient thanks to cloud backup. Now, on the exchange. Go to the avatar in the top right, account security, 2-factor authentication, Google Authenticator. Click Bind, a QR code appears. Open the app, tap plus, scan QR code, point the camera. Code is linked. Most important, under the QR code there's a backup key. Write it down separately, in notes or on paper. If you lose your phone and haven't saved this key, you'll lose access forever. Enter the 6-digit code from the app. Confirm. Done. By the way, Bybit also offers SMS Verification, but I recommend Authenticator. It works offline and doesn't depend on your carrier. Step 3, KYC, know your customer. Why does the exchange need this? It's a requirement of financial regulators worldwide. Why do you need it? Without KYC, the withdrawal limit is only 20,000 USDT per day. With basic verification, already 1 million. Start, avatar in the top right. Identity verification. Choose the country, document type, passport or ID card, upload photos. Document on a flat surface. Good lighting, no glare. All corners visible. If ID card, photograph both sides. Next, selfie verification. Look into the camera and turn your head as prompted on screen. 1 minute and it's done. Submit. Status changes to under review. Bybit checks from 5 minutes to a few hours. Just wait for a push notification or email. That's it. Account ready. Registration, protection, verification. 3 minutes and you're on one of the best exchanges in the world. Registration link, first line in the description. Subscribe to the channel, hit like, see you in the next videos.